myself. The first one is mobile phone. And also, as Mr. Schultz said, the mobile phone needs another type of infrastructure. It is true. But anyway, the mobile phone is completely different from the conventional telephone with wiring. And it diffuses all over the world, and it changes the structure of society and the way of communication of people all over the world. And that's one thing, the one source of imagination of infra-free architecture. And the second one, here you can see the Mongolian portable shelter, which is called as Gale or Power. And many Japanese architects admire such kind of freedom. And the question is, what is freedom for us? And what will infra-free architecture bring us? What kind of freedom? And the third source of my imagination is this kind of uniforms for astronauts. And of course, they have some support from the backside, from NASA or from station and Starship. But anyway, this uniform can be a kind of complete shelter against the very severe condition of outside. So, what is the difference between the shelter and this kind of uniform of astronauts? That's another question for architects to be considered. What is the space? Because this uniform has no space inside. It is just fit to the body. But this uniform can be a good shelter against the sunshine, temperature, and water, and so on and so on. So what is the difference between architecture and this kind of uniform? That's another question occurred by the concept of infra-free architecture. The three sources for me to consider about the infra-free architecture. And from now on, let's go back to this topic. In my presentation about this topic, I will only partially mention the possibility of application of infra-free kind technology to the building activities. The first one, or two crucial issues for me, is logistics. This is only from the viewpoint of technology for architecture and building. And during the 20th century, in all the countries or all the nations and on the earth, the logistics was the most crucial thing when we consider about the architecture technology or building technology. And especially logistics is crucial in such cases as development of green fields imposed by the growth of economy and population, as you know. And also in case of new building activities to solve the floor shortage problem. I don't know whether Turkey has still such kind of problems or not. But in case of Japan, we solved the shortage of housing floor area in early 1970s. So they say that in maybe 1973 or 74 was the big turning point for Japanese building activities from the phase of building more and more to building high quality something. And also logistics very crucial in such a case seen in developed countries before, and also will be seen in developing countries from now on. So logistics is, for some nations, it is already gone topic, but still now there are many places to for us to consider logistics concerning building activities on the Earth. And here, logistics means how to bring building materials, skilled workers, and technologies to construction sites. And this shows a route to construction sites of schools in Zambia. That project was financed by Japanese government, and I visited several construction sites on the Jeep. And you can see here no route, and how to bring materials and workers and technology was the most crucial thing for contractors to think about. And I will show you some typical 20th century example of solution of logistics for the idea stimulated by the topic of logistics. And the very best example is, I can show you here, the Buckminster Flats Dymaxion dwelling machine. And this was invented or built in 1947. And this house was made of aluminum, duralumin, and very light metal. And all one house can be completely disassembled into components. And those components can be packed in that cylinder, a big cylinder you can see on the right hand of the picture. And Fleur thought that this kind of cylinder could be transferred to all over the world. And if the people open the package, then you can get all the components and build up in 1 day or 2 days. That's a very solution, the way of thinking about logistics concerning building activities. And this is 3 years ago I visited the Henry Ford Museum at Dearborn to see this Dymaxion dwelling machine. Several years ago, we built this very historical house in the museum of Henry Ford Museum. And this is the image, I don't know exactly, but maybe by Buckminster Fuller, of housing with Dymaxion dwelling machines. And from this picture, you can imagine that infrastructure is already done under the land, and they put the Dymaxion dwelling machine on the land with infrastructure. So in this case, I imagine that the concept of infra-free architecture is not involved in this kind of development, but the most important work for me by Buckminster Fuller was another one. That was called mechanical wing, invented before Dymaxion dwelling machine, invented in around 1940. And here Fuller tried to prepare mechanical wing for housing in the green field without infrastructure maybe. And as you can see on the left side, the one box with kitchen, bathroom, and also including engine or generator. And also Fuller thought that a kind of recycling machine of water is put inside the box. And this box is on the wheel. And so people can easily bring this mechanical wing everywhere, anywhere you like. And he also invented a kind of very light dome structure flagman. And so the combination with this kind of light shelter and mechanical wing can realize a kind of infra-free architecture, I think. This may be the concept of Buckminster Flats.